Hi guys, subscribe to the channel and like this video. I will show you how to make a transparent background of an image. Open Paint. I will show you an example of an intro for one of my next videos. Through the search engine we need to find a picture where the background will be like this. He looks like a gray cell. Save this image to your computer. Check. There should not be a default check mark here. Should be like this. Select Paste From. Here is our image. The background is not transparent yet. We return to where we have already been and put a check mark. Magic happened. The image can be enlarged or reduced as before. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Bye guys.